y'all, welcome back. Today we'll be showing you guys how to make chow mein. This simple, delicious recipe will go well with any of your entrees, such as orange chicken, kung pao chicken, or walnut shrimp. That you can also learn how to make in our previous video, so be sure to check out our YouTube channel and learn those recipes so that way you can eat with this dish. So anyways,
it's taste test time.
It's taste test time.
Let's give it a try. See what it tastes like.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that is goodness.
Let's see how we do. Cheers. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful color. Holy moly, I gotta finish this.
That's good. We have crunchy, crispy vegetables, and
the flavor is so good. But I'll tell you why. You have to stick throughout this video. Don't leave yet to learn this recipe, because I know that many of you guys go out to order this at Panda Express or other restaurants, but when you make it at home, you can control the ingredients that you put into your food and the amount of sugar you put in it. So you don't need all that sugar that they put out there, and you can make this plate healthier at home. So be sure to stay tuned throughout the video and learn this recipe, because it's so good. What do you think about this recipe? I really like it.
Love it. Give it a 10 out of 10.
I need some orange chicken though. Alright, you're good, buddy.
Let's dive right in.
First thing first, let's gather the following ingredients. Dry chow mein noodles, since we could not find fresh Chinese egg noodles at our local grocery store. Cooking oil, I use vegetable oil. Sesame oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, black vinegar, black pepper, sugar, and water. Our fresh ingredients will consist of the following, but you may use pretty much whatever you want here or whatever you may have in your fridge. White onion, white cabbage, green bell pepper, carrot, 3 stalks of green onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. And as always, the ingredients and specific measurements will be listed in the box below, so be sure to check that out. First, we'll wash and prepare our vegetables. We'll begin by cutting our white onion in half and then into thin strips. We'll only use 1/2 of the onion for this recipe. Next, cut the cabbage in half and remove the core and thinly slice them the whole way across. Once again, we'll just use half of the cabbage or get at least a handful. Then we have carrot. Peel and slice your carrot into thin matchstick cuts, and this is also known as julienne. To do that, slice off one side of your carrot to make a base to lay the carrot flat. Then slice these into thin strips and lay them down and slice them into even matchstick cuts. And of course, if you're feeling lazy, you may also buy pre-cut matchsticks carrots from your local grocery store. With your bell pepper, slice off the top and bottom. Remove the core and slice the pepper lengthwise. The cabbage, carrot, and bell pepper will add a nice crunch to this dish. Next, garlic. Peel and carefully use the side of your knife to smash 3 cloves of garlic and roughly chop them up to make sure there's no large chunks. This will give your dish more fragrance and bring the flavor out when you cook them. Last but not least, cut off the white part of the green onions, also known as the stem, and slice them in half. And cut the green part into 1 to 2 inch sections. Set these prepared vegetables aside to be stir-fried later. To prepare our noodles, Bring your pot of water to a boil. Add in about 2 tablespoons oil and cook your noodles 1 minute less than the package instructions. Stir occasionally to get the noodles from sticking together. Drain and rinse them in cold water, and then drain and dry them as well as you can, and set them aside. Next, we'll go ahead and make our stir-fry sauce. To a bowl, we'll add 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce for the reddish brown color, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce for the savory, 1 tablespoon black vinegar, half teaspoon black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon water. Get yourself a whisk and give this a good mix, and be sure to give it a taste so the level of sweetness is what you like. You know, adjust it to your liking. And that's it. The sauce is what will coat the noodles later, so set it aside. Now with all our ingredients prepared and ready to go, it's time to stir fry, y'all. And just a note, it's very important for you to make sure you have everything prepared and ready to go. It does not take long to cook this dish, so it's really not possible to prep as you go. With that said, using your largest pan, heat your oil on high heat and stir fry your carrots for a minute. Next, add in your minced garlic, cabbage, white onion, and bell pepper and stir fry for another minute. Now add in the white part of your green onions. Continuously stir everything around until you get that nice char, and then transfer them to a plate or bowl and set them aside. Don't overcook these vegetables because we want them to have a nice slight crunch. Next, heat up your oil in the same pan on high heat and we'll stir fry our noodles. After a couple of minutes, lower your heat and pour in your sauce and stir for a minute to mix in the sauce. Give this a quick taste and adjust your soy sauce or salt level as needed. Then, introduce your stir-fried veggies from earlier and gently toss everything until they are well combined. Lastly, add in your green onions and a few drizzle of sesame oil and turn off the heat. Give this one final gentle toss to not break the noodle, and then you're ready to plate and serve. And friends, there you have it. Homemade chow mein, restaurant style. Look at that. Doesn't it look delicious, y'all? This dish is everything you want from a stir fry. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's cheap to make. And remember, the ingredients used in this recipe are very flexible. You may use different ingredients or vegetables you have available in your fridge. So give this recipe a try at home, and I promise you, it'll be better than takeout. And y'all, that's how you make chow mein. If you like what you see today, please press the like and subscribe button and the bell button for future notifications. And let us know what you think about this recipe down in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Peace.